If you're looking to lose that hanging belly fat of yours, which is protruding enough so you don't fit into your favorite clothes, then I've got the perfect solution for you. This is a one-stop easy exercise. Just one simple move that will help you lose your belly fat once and for all, whether it is your lower belly or your upper belly. This particular exercise targets the entire central belly area, and trust me, it works wonders. If you're the kind of person who makes a lot of excuses for not being able to do exercise, then this exercise, you will love it, because you can do it early in the morning as soon as you wake up, and you can also do it in the comfort of your own home, your own bed. You don't even have to get out of bed and you can do it already. Trust me, this is even more effective than doing planks or stomach crunches. Rita, a client who recently joined my weight loss program, has dropped a size already, and she's so happy because she was last humiliated when she went into a departmental store to buy a size which would fit her perfectly. And the sales girl humiliated her and said horrible things to her by telling her that she would never fit into a dress from that departmental store because they don't have her size. So you come on, tell me your emotional story and your motivational story in the comments below, or let's give an affirmation. Yes, I will drop a size. And I'm sure you will, because if Rita has, so can you do it. Now, before we begin any exercise, we have to do a warm-up that's really essential, and let's do it together for about a minute. First, we have to do the simple and easy neck exercise. Now let's look sideways. Let's move our shoulders together. First in clockwise direction, then in anti-clockwise direction. And let's twist our body sideways. Just so that you don't feel any stiffness, we're done with the warm-up. Now let me show you the actual exercise. Now to begin the exercise, let's do the beginner level, which is so easy and so effective. All you have to do is lay straight with your core muscles tucked in tight, and you are going to lift your leg as high as you can. Hold it up there and then bring it back. To support our back, we are going to put our palms underneath our hips and now raise our legs. If you can just raise it up to here, it's fine. If you can just raise it up to here, that's also fine. But you have to hold it in the position, that's the main thing. Well done! If you've been able to do the beginner level absolutely successfully, now let's move on and graduate to the intermediate level. This is also a very doable and easy exercise, and this is part of the previous exercise, absolutely engaging your core muscles. So keep your core tight and your legs straight. We've got a cushion underneath the legs, but we're not going to touch our legs to the cushion. We're going to lift our legs sideways and take it like this. And now I'm going to show you the advanced level of this exercise. First, we're going to again keep the cushion the way it's placed in between the legs, and we're going to raise both the legs like this. Take it clockwise, slowly, make a big circle like this. And then we are going to do anti-clockwise. This movement itself is going to be so effective for the entire belly area, be it your upper belly fat, your lower belly fat, or even your side belly fat. Let's hit it. Well done. Now that you've completed this one simple move, all three levels, be it the beginner level, the intermediate, or the advanced level, I'm sure you must have seen absolutely amazing stretching, and you must have felt tightening and toning of your abdominal muscles. Now all you have to do is be persistent and be consistent. Every single day you have to do these exercises, but since you're doing it early in the morning on an empty stomach, after this exercise, I'm going to give you a brilliant tip. You're supposed to consume about 100 ml of warm water and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar along with it. I'll see you soon again next week, but before that, if you're looking to join a good transformation program to lose weight, to have amazing inch loss and fat loss, you can click on the link given below in the description and you can join my program, wherein I will be building a team for you and I will be providing you with a doctor, dietitian and a health counselor, all under my supervision to give you the best desired results. Now I'm going to see you next week again very soon with another exciting exercise. If you have any queries, don't forget to ask in the comment section below. Until then, take care.